Right now I am giving you the demonstration of ENT operating microscope from Labomed USA on behalf of Pioneer Healthcare Technologies. These are the eyepieces of the microscope. Here are the adjustment. According to your eyes adjustment, you can do it. Here it is a locking button. You can lock it also. Right, this is the straight binocular for recommending for ENT, but we are having a tiltable binocular also from 0 to 210 degree. So according to your need, you can go for the tiltable also. Now this is the IPD. You see, this is a very soft movement of the IPD my person is doing. Now after the IPD, now my person will show you the steps. In the 5 step we are having 4, 6, 10, 16 and 25. In 3 step we are having 6, 10x and 16x. This is the fine focus of the microscope. These are the adjustment of the fine focus. Now I will come to the filter point. This is the filter from where you can do the filter. It has a white is already there. You can do a yellow or green. These are the handle of the microscope. You can adjust according to your need. Now these are the different adjustment, up and right. Now he is doing, you see, left, right, up, down, all the adjustment are there. This is the adjustment from the main arm of a microscope. You can rotate whole microscope, or either you can rotate only the head part of the microscope. This is the knob which is at the arm part. You can make it up or shift. This microscope is having a torch adjustment, so it have a very soft automatic balancing system, which is the main feature of this microscope. All the German or USA microscope are having this feature. These knobs are to have, you can rotate the complete microscope. No, these are the different knobs. Now I will come you the accessories of the microscope, which are not including in the standard. The accessories are optional. This is the high definition SD Labomed camera, which is having you can do the recording and you can take the still image along with the single beam splitter. You can have an option to purchase a double beam splitter with a camera adapter. So in that case you can use your own camera with this system. And also we are having a microscope for neuro, for eye, and then this is the LED light source of this microscope, the LED light source intensity control. So it has the very also one unique feature of a park off condition. If you will make it up, the light will automatically goes like this. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration. For the details you can contact us or you can mail us also. So you can visit our website www.pioneerhealthcare.net or www.pioneermedical.net, or you can mail us at info@pioneermedical.net, or you can call us +91 98370 67209.